bayethi wena uphakathi Nkosi Ndlovukazi Mhlekazi, Your Majesty the King Ngwenyama, Commander-in-Chief of Umbutho Eswatini Defence Force, Your Majesty Ndlovukazi, the Queen Mother, Emma Kosigati, Your Royal Highnesses, Bantu Benkosi, Boba Betikhulu, Royal Councillors, Your Excellency the Right Honorable Prime Minister, Your Lordship, the Chief Justice, Honorable Ministers, Honorable Members of both Houses of Parliament, Your Excellencies, Members of the Diplomatic Corps, Regional Administrator for the Manzini region, representatives of Chiefs of Defense Forces that are present here, distinguished defense attaches and advisors, UEDF generals, officers, servicemen and women, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Lamadota, ngitayele khululeka kahle ngesiswati unaphakathi umutho wakho Ndluliselwa uyathokota kwemukela imbubo yemhlaba lengumkhutheli jikelele walombutho sithi bayethe wena waphakathi wena ungangezindaba ngalonjalo Ndluliselwa umbutho wakho tekuvikela uthi vela uthokomele kuthi indlovu yemhlaba benganyathela kulomkhosi lona lisasasa lelikhulu kangaka indlovu yemhlaba sithi Nkosi Ndlovukazi Mhlekazi. Ndluliselwa uze bangatohumusha uthi vele singisi siyangehlula nekokuthi ke tininto engwenyama letikhona letivela lamanye amave bengicela sinosikhulu ukuthi sengisezame wena uphakathi. Your Majesty, the theme that has been selected for this occasion is entitled Accelerated Transformation, the UEDF Strategic Approach Towards Combat Readiness. The selection of this theme has been informed by two profound directives by His Majesty, namely the Ngwe Directive and the Directive on National Transformation. It has further been influenced by defense intelligence analysis regarding the persistent global traditional and non-traditional security threats, which have a direct and indirect ramifications to the Kingdom of Eswatini national defense and security environment. The UEDF was extremely honored to receive His Majesty when you visited the Mbuluzi School of Infantry recently. That is a strong indicator that the Commander-in-Chief is committed to the transformation endeavor of the UEDF, particularly in the sphere of training on weaponry systems and tactics. The UEDF is extremely appreciative of His Majesty's directive to the line ministries to accelerate the infrastructural development of our training establishment. It would be a serious oversight on my part if I do not take this opportunity to convey our sincere gratitude for the acquisition of operational and administrative vehicles and equipment, Your Majesty. Bayethe wena waphakathi welongangezindaba sibonga silo school ukuqonyiswa imbube emhlaba timotolo tekusebenta Ndlaluselo. I'm grateful, Your Majesty, to mention that our foreign partners continue to immensely assist your defense force to be as adaptive as possible in dealing with contemporary threats through constant training of our troops at all levels. Internally, Your Majesty, a wide range of courses have been conducted and some are ongoing at our own respective training establishment. It is equally humbling to report, Your Majesty, that 23 of Bobabe Chief who are members of the Defense Force are currently undergoing their infantry basic leadership course at Mbuluzi School of Infantry. And one chief has successfully completed his cadet training in Zambia and is about to be commissioned to graduate in not distant future. Your Majesty, it is indeed a humbling honor for me to report that many members of the UDF have done exceptionally well on external training, and His Majesty will be requested in due time to decorate them with suitable members that are appropriate at an appropriate time. Your Majesty, we are also taking our social responsibility serious as a defense force. For instance, our clinics continue to complement government's efforts for accelerated access to health care by offering and ensuring affordable and quality health care to our citizens. The UEDF has also a number of programs in place where your defense force conducts and fulfills its social responsibility. In quest for synergy between His Majesty's directives and government policies, there have been some compelling rationales to accelerate reforms at all levels. Bayethe wona uphakathi awungishito silo sikolo sesihlesiphunyuphunyuka ngebandla ngidawulwa naso ngize ngiqedze inkulumo yami bayethe wona uphakathi. The UDF is currently conducting, in conclusion, the UDF is currently conducting researches on how best we can revive Their Majesty's vision with regard to the Greener Youth Camp program, as well as the reserve force, Bolomgqibelo Silo School. Stauta Ndlaluselo nasesibuke konke sitocela enkosini ukuthi leto tinhlelo tibuye tiqale tisebente. This will include benchmarking exercises that have been conducted on various policy strategies and legislation during the current financial year. This will go a long way in the quest to empower the country's youth by resocializing them to be responsible citizens. Equally, again, our aim is for the UDF to be self-sustainable in some logistical aspect. Hence, the accelerated efforts in this regard. Your Majesty, lombila lola pangesheya, angeke nje silo sikhulu ngibe ngigegisa nguye silo sikhulu longangajama nendlovu nelitsimba lanalo MOD silo sikhulu labalimako tikhwepha lalo yambila lo nyaka awu sitawuwina naka agriculture Ndlaluselo. La madoda sive silambele kuva inkulumo engwenyama emasotsha silosikhulu sihlala nawo sikhuluma tindzaba tethu nawo lomuhla dlaliselwa alambele kuva umkhutheli jikelele walombutho ngingakakuqeli lamadoda ngithunywe ngilolubutho lakho hlangalwezwe ukuthi ngethule embubeni emhlaba emathole lasihlanu silosikhulu lamabili embube emhlaba lamabili endlovu yomhlaba ayethe wona uphakathi lwandle olukhulu libutho lakho silosikhulu sengqina dlaliselwa liphizela ngiphathisa lisheke wona uphakathi lelinganga 60,000 emalangeni kulekelela indlovu yemhlaba emsebentini yonke elive ile yendako kubogogo nabomkhulu ngiyacela silosikhulu ukuthi balivete kuyo indlovu yemhlaba ayithi wona uphakathi Nkosi Ndlovukazi Mhlekazi ayithi wena uphakathi wena ongangezindaba silosikhulu sebangidonsile nelijobo lamadoda kuyashisa kangwane noma ngabe usikhulumi lesingakanani uqina 5 umenta 4 silosikhulu dlaliselwa tisihlanu lamadoda tinzathu tembube emhlaba timbili silosikhulu tendlovu emhlaba asikhuthe enlwandle sonke wethe lo phakathi silosikhulu sengisosikhathi dlaliselo lang ngekuthi thoba ngidawuqela yona imbube emhlaba umkhutheli jikelele walombutho aphefumulele emasotsha aphefumulele umhlaba ayethe wena uphakathi bakubiza bakulayeza ke nkonyane endlovu ngabe bakubizelana ngobe bakubizela indaba sokugwazana nokubulalana mkhukhuthane wesimpondo samile enkomeni ngabe zesabane njeni yeshaka ingule emnyama lembese umtsimba ube bengambatha mina mfokatana bengawulala ngithuthumela ngithi madlala kwesinde izihlangu uyewadlala kwesika George waphiza wadlala nekwasashikana George lomnyama ke ungiphiqile umile emagomba abusika nehlobo bonke boJojo bahohlokile sidlula hledle ngesakithi ngesalo kwamba naku sithi sibapha sibe sibadlula